Hello guys, this is the interesting landing page which I have built up, which looks really professional, absolutely for free, using a particular website. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this type of interesting looking landing pages to promote your product in 2020, and this is going to be really interesting. So watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you the entire tutorial on how you can build this type of landing pages and start making some real money online in 2020. So now let's get started. So first of all, welcome to my channel Moneymaker 001. In this channel I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing and online business. So if you are interested in all this stuff, then really this is one of the best thing. And now today I'm going to show you how to make a landing page, and this landing page, you can use this landing page for doing your affiliate marketing, and you can increase your sales with this type of landing page. So now let's jump with the content and let me show you the entire tutorial of how to build a landing page really very easily in 2020. Okay, so the website which we are going to use to make this type of landing page is known as card.co. okay, card.co. So this is the particular website which I have used to create this type of landing page. Now at the first, you need to select over this, go to this website and sign up for it. There is a pro plan as well as a free plan, but for now just go for the free plan. Okay, there are many websites which you can create absolutely for free, so you just have to use the free templates as first, and after that you make some money. After that you can go for the paid one. Okay, so just click over here. Now once you click over here, you will see that all these templates appear in front of you. So all these are landing page templates. Some are pro and some are free. Okay, so I just recommend that use the free ones at first. For example, this is a free one, you can use this one. Okay, for example, this one is also a free one. Okay, so you can use any of this, whichever you want. Just select any one, whichever you like and whichever you want to edit. Now for example, I have selected this one. Okay, now if I want to edit this page, now I can just click over here and edit the text and convert it to whatever I want. Okay, for example, just I am editing this page. Hello, my name is XYZ and this is the best weight loss product of 2020. Okay, so here we have written the first line of our page. Okay, now you have just done it. Now just click on this done button. This is really very important. Okay, once you click on this done button, now click over here and you can change the background of this landing page. So now you can just go over here and select the background. Okay, now you can select image. Okay, just select the image background and you can upload any of the image whichever you like. Okay, you can also pick from the library. There are some images which are available in the library, but a particular type of image is not available. That's the reason why you can use this, but if you don't, you cannot. Okay, it's your choice. So you can upload an image of from your computer which is related to your niche, okay, or whatever the product you are promoting. For example, we are going to promote a weight loss product, so we need to find some weight loss images. Maybe I so this is one of the images which I am having, which is somewhat related to exercise and weight loss. Okay, so now I will be using this image over here in this website. Okay, now we just selected. Now click on this accept button. Okay, and now all you need to do is just select this done. Okay, so you can see this thing is done. Okay, now here's the text. Okay, now if I want to add something more over here, now just click on this plus button. Now you can add a text, you can add image, you can add video, you can add music, timer and all the stuff which you want. But we are going to add a button so that we can give our link over here. Okay, so this is the button. Now we want this button upwards, so just let's take it a little bit. Okay, so it won't go upwards, it's just here. Let's try to take it upwards. Okay, so here we are placing this button. Okay, so once we have placed the button, now you can click on this button. Okay, once you click on this button, now you can add a link. Okay, so now you can add your affiliate link on this button. For example, get it here. Okay, sorry, this is not this is the label. Okay, you just have to type it here, get it here. Okay, this is the label of the button. Okay, just remove one. I have just added two. Okay, so this is the button, and now you can edit this button. Okay, now just remove this button board and add get it here. Okay, and now you can add your affiliate link over here. For example, okay, whatever I am typing, you can just understand this is your affiliate link. Okay, now you can also edit the background of this. Okay, so now you just have to click over this and you can also edit the background of this. Okay, so now select any of the background whatever you want. See, for example, I am just selecting any random color over here and I can edit its background. Okay, so here's the background. So we have changed the color of the background. Now you just have to select this is only for the pro version, so don't go for that, and just you just understood. And now just click on this add. Okay, and after you click add, you can add another button, but we don't want the second one, so we are going to remove that. Okay, now and then just click on this done button. Okay, so you have done this and you can see this random looking affiliate page has been built for us. Now you can drag this to anywhere in the website wherever you want. Now we don't want this, so we can just remove this. Okay, so you can just click over here and remove this whatever you don't want in your website. Okay, just do this and you can remove all this stuff. Okay, so almost we have removed everything. Okay, so this has been removed and now you can get this over here on the upward direction. Okay, and then so see, this is how you are going to build a landing page over here on this website. Now just place it in the right place. Okay, and all these options are available to you, but still there are less options in this website. You cannot resize or do anything else on this pages, but still it's really a great website from where you can create your landing pages really very simply. Okay, so now there are all this option available where you can use this. Okay, and spacing and all this stuff where you can adjust the width. Okay, now you can just make it wide or small, whatever you want. Okay, now just select over here and you can see this button and you can just add all this stuff. Okay, and just click on this done. Now your affiliate link is here, and whatever you have written on your whatever your product is about, write the product name over here, and here's the affiliate link. Now you have created a one page landing page over here with this website. Now all you need to do is click on over here and you can just save this website. Okay, now just add the title of this website, for example any random title and any random name. Okay, and then you just have to use this. Okay, description and title. Okay, now you can just go and publish this website as per your choice. Okay, now just select over here media as well as this. So all these options are available to you, and now you can just publish your website over here by the choice of yours. It's your choice how you want to publish your website. Okay, just click over here, use card URL. Okay, okay, now okay, get it done. Just click over here, publish. Okay, so the site's description goes in a meta tag, so don't just use that type of weight loss 2020. Okay, okay, so that's done for you. Okay, done. Now just click on over here and then publish. Okay, the title, we have written the title. Now here are the tags. Okay, name. Now you have to select a particular name for your website, which is, for example, you can do any random name and stuff over here, then it will be checking the name. Okay, so okay, it is done, and now you can hit on this publish button and your page will be okay. So some elements may be unconfirmed. Let's just confirm. Just remove those elements whichever you don't want on this website. Okay, Okay, so we have removed all the elements, and here we can add a random image over here. Okay, just let's do some. This is just random image which I have added over here so that it can be completed. Okay, so here it is done. Now you can just click on this publish button and publish your website. Okay, now so now this is done. Now this is checking, and you just have to hit on this publish button, and now your website is been publishing. Okay, so your website has been published, and now you can click on view site, and you can see your website will get load over here. So you can see this is our website, and here is our affiliate link. Now you can promote this website to anywhere on your social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, or wherever you want to publish your website. So in this way I have created a lots of websites using this. Okay, so you can also create a lot of websites using this website, which is known as card.co. Okay, and let me show you that if you really wanted to make the website which I shown in the starting of the video, then this is the template which I have used. Just go to this dashboard and you just get the section. Okay, select this section button, and you can find that interesting template which I have shown you in my video, and that template, this template, and it looks really amazing. And you can see, and you can also post more than one affiliate links. Okay, for example, so here's the affiliate link, here's the affiliate link, here's the affiliate link. So you can post more than one affiliate links on your page using this templates. Okay, and there are still many more free templates available. Just don't go for this pro ones, because you have to pay some money to just use those pro templates. But for this type of all other templates, it's absolutely for free, and you can use this any of the template and edit it to yourself. Okay, edit it yourself in whatever way you want, and you can just change the images and all that stuff, and really make an interesting video of and really make an interesting landing page that really looks good. And now you can promote your landing page to any of the websites. Okay, so here's the our link. Okay, so select Control C, and you can copy this link. Okay, Control A and Control C. Now you can copy this link and you can promote it on Facebook. Okay, you can provide your Instagram link in the bio. You can also make videos about many other things from this. Okay, as well as you can do many other things, and you can promote this landing page almost wherever you want. Okay, there won't be any problem if you promote this landing pages, because these are real landing pages and everyone accepts landing pages, so there won't be any problem for you in terms of promoting this landing pages. So they are accepted in all the social media websites, as well as many other places wherever you want to promote your affiliate link. So this is how you can create a landing page in less than 5 minutes for whatever product you are promoting, or in whatever niche you are working. You can make a landing page regarding that niche really very easily using this website, which is known as card.co. So this is how you are gonna make money. This is what is required. These are the skills which you need. You need some skills to make landing page, but no skills are almost required. All you need to do is just drag and drop, and you can make a landing page just like this. Many of the people are confused, and they ask me real questions that we aren't able to create a landing page. It feels a bit difficult for us to create the landing page, but with this platform it becomes really easy, and anyone, even a child, can create a landing page just like this and start doing affiliate marketing utilizing that landing page. Okay, so this is something which is the easiest thing you can do, and really start promoting your affiliate products, whichever products you can promote. Okay, you can promote ClickBank products, you can promote Amazon affiliate products, you can promote JVZoo products, or you can promote Warrior Plus products. It depends on your niche what type of landing pages you want to create. Okay, that's really important. Just check out other pages regarding to your product on, or other landing pages which are related to your product. For example, if you are going to promote a particular product which is flat belly fix, okay, so just check out what other people have created landing pages for that product. Okay, and just try to replicate that landing page into your landing page and understand what type of landing pages works for different product in different niches. That's something which you need to learn, and that's something which is really important. Now I want to show you one of the products which I am using to rank my videos on YouTube. It is known as Video Video Marketing Blaster, and this is a software which I am using from some time, and it has provided some great results to me. So you can also check out that to start your online business through YouTube. Then you definitely, I highly recommend that product. The product's link is given in the description. It is known as Video Marketing Blaster, and it can get you a lot of views on your on your YouTube channel and really promote your channel really very fast. Okay, so this is something that's really working and I have particularly used, so I highly recommend that product. So if you got some value out of this video, if you like my content, just press the like button as well as the subscribe button which will come next to it, and the bell icon which will come next to it, so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos for you and teach you make money online, affiliate marketing and online business. Now, why you have to do an online business? Because if you want to skip your 9 to 5 job, it is really necessary that you do this stuff and take action on the strategies. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.